Hey, my name is Sam, aka Mr. Two Pairs Minimum, and let's take a quick look at the Jordan 3 by Jordan Brand in collaboration with American clothing company Levi's in the Indigo colorway. These were released on the 25th of February 2026 for the retail price of £190 here in the UK, and it comes in a dark blue cement print box with glossy red band Jumpman on its lid and Levi's branding on the sides of the lid. Inside the box comes your shoes wrapped in white paper, as well as a special Levi's printed paper. They also included Jordan Levi's hang tags in that cardboard design that's seen on the back of their jeans. Extra red and cream laces were also included. Overall, I love the simple yet special packaging, but we're not here for the box, so let's get right into the shoes. Rooted in craftsmanship and sports culture, the Levi's collection celebrates how greatness evolves when two icons cut from the same cloth. That cloth, of course, is denim. This is one out of the 4 colorways featuring a tonal indigo denim upper with black elephant print details at the heel, mudguard and toe tip. It has a perforated leather tongue with classic Nike Air branding at the heel and insoles. A red Jumpman is embroidered at the tongue with red Levi multi logos on the insoles. The details and materials are really nice on this pair, and I feel like it will look even better as the denim starts to age with wear. I recommend staying true to size. Jordan 3s are pretty wide foot friendly, and as usual, purchase links will be in my YouTube video description. Thanks for watching. Please drop a like and comment raw to show me you enjoyed this video. Now let's discuss, did you pick these up? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Apart from that, have a good day.